Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of No Fear Cooking. My mother's not feeling too well today, so it's just me in front of the camera today. And today we're going to be making wings in the air fryer. We're doing 3 different versions. We're doing a dry rub, we're doing a buffalo rub, and we're doing a garlic Parmesan rub, all in the air fryer. It's very simple, very easy to do. But before that, we want to tell you about a giveaway that we're doing. We're giving away a $100 gift card to Williams-Sonoma, to one lucky winner. That's the first place prize. We're doing more than one prize. So first place, $100 Williams-Sonoma gift card. Second place is a Danish whisk. We've used this before. And if I can grab it, these silicone baking mats. Sorry, I have gloves on. I'm about to cook with meat, so I just kept them on. So this is a second place prize. And then, let me put that down. Third place prize just gets the Danish whisk. Again, we've used that before. Great for making breads and such. So you can sign up for that with the link in the description, or go to amalfimedia.com/giveaway. And then you have all sorts of ways of entering to win. You have multiple ways to get your name entered in there and get multiple points. So go do that and maybe win a $100 Williams-Sonoma gift card. But let's get into making these wings with the air fryer. Now, I will say, I've already heated up the air fryer at 400. That's the max that ours goes, for around 5 minutes. We like to have ours warmed up and ready to go. We have 4 pounds of wings. 2 pounds are going in each basket. We have 2 baskets on ours. If you only have 1 basket, just do 2 pounds. So it's getting that out of the way early. Now, make sure your wings are dried already and defrosted as well. You don't want to put frozen wings inside of there. We dried ours with paper towels already, so that's out of the way. And the first thing you're going to want to do is sprinkle your 2 or 4 pounds with 1 teaspoon for every 2 pounds. So we have 4 pounds, so we're doing 1 teaspoon on 2 pounds, 1 teaspoon on the other 2 pounds. Get it? And sprinkle it all over. We're going to be mixing it with our hands in a sec. And then, same thing, 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper, not black pepper, white pepper, for each 2 pounds. So if you have the 4 pounds, you're going to do 2 teaspoons. Since we have 4 pounds, that's what we're doing. If you only have 2 pounds, just do 1 teaspoon. And that, I'll say now, that's the dry rub. It's delicious. It's amazing. And you're going to say, do these actually get crispy? Do they actually look like wings? And they do, and you'll see that. And there's a technique to it that we do. So again, next, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for every 2 pounds. We have 4 pounds, so we're doing 4 tablespoons total. Pour your 2 tablespoons on there. And then you mix. You just mix it all up. Pretty easy. You just want to make sure everything is coated with the salt, the pepper, and the olive oil. The olive oil is what gives it a nice crispy skin, which is why I personally love wings. It's not a wing if it's not crispy, in my opinion. And then you don't have to do the rubs we're doing today. We've done other rubs in the past on the channel. So we've done a Peloponnesian type rub. I don't know. It's behind me. I'll remember it later on. That's a good one to do. You can find other rubs. The ones we're doing are very easy on purpose because this is an easy recipe. Okay. Okay. Everything is mixed up well. I'm going to take 1 glove off so I can actually use the air fryer that I have here. This is a Ninja Foodi, I don't know, like 2000, something like that. It has 2 baskets, which is really nice. But what you want to do is set it to the highest temperature it goes, 400 degrees, and then set the timer for 45 minutes. I'm about to do that with you, but I want to get everything out of the way before it starts turning on and gets really loud. So 45 minutes total, these are going to cook in here. Every 15 minutes, this is really important, every 15 minutes, you're going to want to shake the wings. You don't have to flip them. You don't have to turn them over. You want to shake them because otherwise the skin gets stuck to the bottom of the pan, and you don't want that. You want your skin to be nice and well done, and then sort of lets all of the skin get covered in the air, nice and crunchy, nice and crisp. So 45 minutes at 400 degrees, preheat a little bit beforehand, shake every 15 minutes. And we'll do that with you. You'll see us do it on the camera, but I want to get out of the way before this turns on. So let's start that. I just turned it off. Okay. There we go. Okay. All the time and everything is set, so let's put these in. Again, 2 pounds in one basket, 2 pounds in the other. You see that well? Nice. So do the same thing on the other side. We bought 10 pounds of wings, so we're having a lot of wings this week. Costco. Gotta love it there. All right. My wings are in there. And you can let them be piled up. That's like the whole beauty of the air fryers. They can be piled up. It doesn't have to just be one flat row on the bottom. They can be like that, especially since we're shaking it up in a bit. And start. Okay. That easy. Now in 15 minutes, shake it. And we'll come back here to do that with you. Otherwise, just wait. We'll be right back. 15 minutes just went by. I'm going to pause this really fast. All right, 15 minutes. Now you can actually hear me. 15 minutes went by. I'm going to shake them. I'll show you me shaking them. It's really easy. Like, there's not much to it. Take it out. Shake it. Can you see those? Shake it. That's all you got to do. Again, we're doing this so that the skin doesn't get stuck to the bottom of it. Like, can you see that, Mom? You're behind the camera. Can you see it? You see it. You just shake it like that. I can come. There we go.
Thank you.
Now, again, 45 minutes total. We have another 15 minutes before we come back and shake it. We have 30 minutes total left because we already did 15 minutes. I just want to point out really quickly that if for whatever reason you didn't get to defrost your wings before and you get a text saying, hey, I'm coming over for wings from your friends, my mom might have told me to say those exact words. If for whatever reason that happens, all you have to do is get your frozen wings, put them in a bag, and then put them in a bowl of water. It defrosts them in like 30 minutes. It's the fastest thing I've ever seen. So if you're worried, that's all you have to do. But I'm going to start this back up. We'll be back in 15 minutes to shake again. So we'll see you soon. All right, another 15 minutes went by, meaning we have a total of 15 minutes left on these wings. I'm going to pause this so you can hear me first. All right, just like last time, you take it out and you shake it. Very easy. Take it out. Can you see those nice? They're starting to look really crisp already. And just shake. Now, see, these ones, I have to shake a little bit more. You see those fine, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because they're not stuck to the bottom, but if I hadn't shaken them, they would have been stuck to the bottom. Put that in there. Shake it. Now, one thing I will say, some that are getting stuck in the back a little bit. One thing I will say is that we have a like a little drainage thing that's attached to this. And you'll see why later, because otherwise there's a lot of oil underneath it that will spill out when you dump it. So when we do take these out, you're going to use a spatula. I'm using this now because there's one that's sort of stuck here. I don't want the skin to get stuck. Yes. There's one right there. There we go. Now he's not a problem anymore. All right, put it back in. We're going to do another 15 minutes, but first, in the meantime, we chopped up some vegetables. Not everyone eats meat. We understand that. I have some vegetarian friends who don't want to eat meat. So if you're having friends come over, what you can do is make a nice little veggie platter for them. You have tomatoes, cheeses, You have carrots, we have green onions, celery, whatever it might be, and then they can dip it inside of the other things that we have made already for them. So let's do another 15 minutes, and we're going to be done cooking them, and we'll show you how we prepare with the sauces, and you'll be amazed by how easy it is. And we purposely made it really easy because this deserves to be a very easy meal. So I'm going to start this back up the last 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll do all that. And we are back. 45 minutes went by. We did all of the shaking and mixing that we had to do, and I can't wait to show you these wings again. We're doing 3 types of versions. A dry rub, which is pretty easy. You take these out and you just put them on the side. You let them cool off, and they're good to go. That's just with the salt and the black pepper. I actually like those a lot. It might sound plain. It's not. It's very good. Then we're going to do a buffalo version and then a garlic parmesan version, which is my personal favorite. And I said those would be easy because I believe cooking should be easy and approachable, and that's one less thing you have to do. So I'll show you how we do it with just store-bought sauces. It's very easy, but let's show you these wings. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see those fine, Mom? Can we get it? I got a thumbs up. Very good. Look at that. And I like to take them out with a little tongs because, again, there's oil underneath it, and if you dump it out, you're going to get all that oil with it, and that's no fun. But I just want to show you one of them to show you how crispy these get, in case you doubted me. Look at that. So I'm putting 7 on the side for the dry rub, people. For those who just want dry rub, you get 7 on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. None of these are sticking, by the way, might I add, because we shook it well. You know, look at a little bit of stick with that one. You'll see a little bit of skin get stuck to it, but barely any of it. And that is 7 dry rub wings. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. Very good. Leave them here?
Yes.
You can see them there? Okay. So we're going to do half buffalo, half garlic parmesan. So we're going to put them in their respective little bowls here. Actually, there's no stickage at all with any of these, Mom. Very happy with that.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good shaking.
Good,
Yes.
good shaking.
You can put this a little bit closer to I don't see it.
This one?
Yep.
Okay, well, I need to take this out.
Oh, yes.
Hold on.
Take them out. Let me
Look
see
at this
that.
next one. Look at this next one.
Perfect.
Very good. Just as good. Just as delicious. 3. And then up here.
I like the tongues, Nathaniel.
Mom likes the tongs. Thank you. They're from Lurv's. They sent them to us. They're not a sponsor, but they did send them to us for free. We've sort of fallen in love with the product, honestly.
They're not-
That's very nice. It comes with like a bunch of different utensils and their own carrying case, which is nice. And I'll be using them to mix all these together in a second. You'll see. There is that. Now, for the first one, the garlic parmesan. I'm literally just using the garlic parmesan sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. I got it at Publix. You can get it, I'm pretty sure, Walmart, Publix, Amazon, they'll have it. I'm starting with a half a cup of this, and I'm going to dump them on the wings and then mix it, and then I'm going to see if I need more or if I don't need any more at all. That might be perfect. I really like garlic parmesan. It might be my favorite personally, so let's see. Let's use this one. Let's get this all scooped out of here. There we go. And we just mix it. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, man. That's perfect. Half a cup, perfect. Don't need any more, unless you want more. I'll show you one of these so you can see it. It's got a good one here. Let's get the good side going for you. Look at that. Look at that. You see the steam coming off? That's perfect. That's literally perfect right there. I couldn't ask for anything better. And we'll do the buffalo one now. So we'll put these on the side. Get the buffalo one. For the buffalo one, we're using Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. You want to make sure you get the one that has wings. If you only have Frank's Red Hot, that's fine. Just mix butter with it. You want to melt some butter and then mix it together. Again, half a cup, and we'll see if we need more or not. This is my sister's personal favorite. And then we're going to mix it with our lovely Lerv spoon as well. Ooh, that smells good.
Must have been very hot.
Must have been. Again, half a cup was perfect. And we have the dry rub. We have the Frank's Red Buffalo rub. And again, it's just easy when you use the stuff from the store. You don't have to worry about making one more thing on top of the wings. It's just, it's done for you. Let's look at those. Ta-da.
Perfect.
All right. And with that, we're done. I'm going to actually eat one. I think I'm going to eat one of the Parmesan garlic ones because those are my favorite. If you liked it, though, subscribe, follow, like it, sign up for the giveaway. Oh, yeah. That is perfect. That's very good. That's really good. Some ranch or blue cheese would make this perfect. We did both of those things actually on the channel. So if you want a homemade ranch, do that one or just get the store-bought one. But as my mom would say, manja manja. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to sign up for the $100 Williams-Sonoma gift card giveaway in the bio. Oh, and the gifts are right there in the back in case you missed it. Thank you, Mom. And Pofte Buna as well. Yes, thank you, Mom. But I'm going to eat these and enjoy these, so I'll see you guys next time.